Quick reading for January the 23rd to January the 24th. Aries, we have the Queen of Cups, the Eight of Cups, and the Queen of Swords. Ang laki ng shift. Parang yung shift is na doon sa extremes, no? From okay ka, tapos parang sasabihin mo ay ang tagal naman. So nandun yung pagiging mainipin, which is very Aries. Hindi lang ito yung naiinip pa kasi ko no? Dahil ito yung sinabi kong mangyayari. Kasi nainis ka, merong pangako na sabihin nating dapat ginawa, hindi ginawa. Hindi lang ito isang beses nangyari. You fed up with the Eight of Cups in here wherein yung amor mo, yung paniniwala mo, parang unti-unting nauubos at parang yung shift natin dito magkakaroon ka ng inis, no? Triggered ka, baka nga makapagsalita ka ng hindi maganda. So whether it is you want to express your feelings or gusto mong iwasan, baka yung trigger gusto mong iwasan, at least this will be your guide. So this is your quick reading, January the 23rd to January the 24th, Aries.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.